As the court process moves forward, it's unclear whether the Attorney General's office will request that Deven Young be tried as an adult. But the state has seen cases in the past where teens charged with murder have been moved out of the juvenile court system. The I-Team's Dan Lamparello is at the live desk with a breakdown. Dan.
Well, Marissa, before a juvenile can be tried as an adult in Maine, the AG must file a motion to do so. Then there's what's known as a bind-over hearing, where a judge considers a range of factors to see if that juvenile should be transferred over to adult criminal court. And in recent years, we have seen some high-profile cases where that has happened, including the case of Andrea Balser, who was 17 when she stabbed her parents and their dog to death at their home in Winthrop. She was tried as an adult and sentenced to 40 years in prison in 2018. Then there was the case of Lucas Miranovas, who was 15 years old when he killed his mother, Kimberly, after an argument at their Litchfield home in 2018. Miranovas ended up being tried as an adult as well and sentenced to 33 years in prison in 2019. We also saw this play out in the case of Dominic Sylvester, who was 16 when he killed his grandmother at their mobile home that the two shared in Bodenham. After being tried as an adult and pleading guilty, Sylvester was sentenced to 27 years in prison in 2020. Now, it is worth noting that sentences and penalties for suspects tried as adults are much stiffer than those for juveniles, especially when it comes to crimes like murder. But every juvenile case is different, so we'll wait to see if a bind-over hearing happens in this case and what evidence a judge could consider. At the live desk, I'm Dan Lamparello. Marissa?
Dan, thank you. To Washington.